If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Also, make sure you click that little notification bell so you'll know when I post a new video. I currently post new videos every Friday for this channel, and if you like my art, you can check out my sister channel, and videos go up for that one every Wednesday. Today I'm going to be doing my unicorn favorites haul. These are all of the items that I have accumulated over the years that are my absolute favorite unicorn items in my collection. I definitely think that at this point I have enough items to say that I am an avid unicorn collector. I love everything that's unicorn related, especially pastel unicorns, things like that. So today I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite items. First, I have this unicorn speaker from Five Below that my boyfriend actually got me, and I really like it. It holds a charge for a long time. Basically, you can charge it up, you can flip that little on or off switch, and you can listen to music, your podcast, whatever, and it's very loud, so it works really good. Next, I have these little unicorn figures that are from Starlight Starbright Unicorn Collection from 1995, and my sister sent me these. There is quite a few more. These little guys were my favorite. I like the rainbow and I like this iridescent moon a lot, and he's just really cute and fat. He's like a little stuffed animal unicorn but I really like these little guys. So next I have this Eco Neko key ring from Japan that I got during my Japan trip, and you guys might have seen this if you watched my Japan haul video. I haven't had a chance to turn it into a necklace yet. That was my goal, was to make it into a little necklace. But I really liked it. I like the unicorn. I like the pancakes on his back. Next, I have this little Twin Stars 40th anniversary bag that I picked up from Hello Kitty shop that was in the mall near where I lived that ended up closing down, and I was lucky enough to get this on sale. So I got it for, I think, half price of what it normally costs. I don't even remember how much it was anymore. But it was very cute. I love little twin stars. I love that the pastel colors. They remind me of My Little Pony, so of course I love it. Next are these pony shoes. These I purchased from a friend years ago, probably 4 years ago, so they are a little bit beat up. I need to clean them up. I added this to them myself, this little pony piece, and I got that from this from the Dollar Tree in a pack of, like, you know, baby shower stuff. And I did it just because I went to a Melanie Martinez concert and I wanted to wear these shoes there, and I wanted to incorporate some of that stuff that Melanie Martinez uses in her music videos and in her shows. So I thought I would put this little cute charm on there. Yeah, I really like these little high tops, these little pastel high tops. Like I said, they need to be cleaned up. I like to wear them a lot, and they work really well for my casual sort of kawaii fashion wardrobe, my more fairy kei kind of stuff, like what I'm wearing today. It matches perfectly, so I would wear it with something like what I'm wearing today. I have this lovely piece on my mannequin back here. It is the Daydream Carnival Salopet. I absolutely love the ponies on this. And also I have my Ethereal Journey necklace paired with it. I thought I would throw this on the mannequin because I'm doing this unicorn themed haul. Another item that I really liked is one that I'm currently wearing, and it is a little resin unicorn necklace I got from MetroCon last year, and it was really reasonably priced, and it was, I don't quite remember how much it was, but I remember thinking like, wow, that's really good. And it has this pretty pearl chain. I like that it has a little bow at the top. It's got a little heart right here too. Very, very cute. I really love this necklace. I knew the minute I saw it, I wanted it because it would match what I'm wearing today and most of my more kawaii wardrobe. So I'm really glad I got this, and you should definitely check out her work. I'll put a little link in the description below so you can check her out if you would like to get your own cute little unicorn necklaces or other pieces of jewelry. I got these just last year and I absolutely love them. I really wanted to have a cuter summer look for when I go swimming, and so I got this floaty, which I don't have inflated right now. It would be too big to have on the screen anyway, but it has these cute unicorns on it. And I know that this came out around the same time that Swimmer was doing floaties, but this is not a Swimmer floaty. It says old Loli on it, which always makes me laugh when I see it, like old Loli. Okay, but it's really cute when it's inflated. It's this beautiful pastel purple with these little cute pegacorns all over it. And it's got little castles on it. And over the course of me using this for a full year so far, it has been surprisingly durable. I have taken it with me to the springs, I've taken it with me to the pool, I've taken it with me to the beach. I've even taken it with me to a music festival, and this thing has still held up. I have already had another floaty that was shaped like a big sprinkle donut, and the first day I used it, it had a hole in it. So this is really durable. I really liked how durable this was, and I'm glad that it's not broken because it matches my next item perfectly. So this next item was pretty hard to find, but I managed to find it, and I believe that the cost of it was about 27, probably about 30 bucks. Because I did get it from Taobao. Now, this came with a little skirt as well as a water cap and a little cute wire bow you can tie in your hair. But I'm not showing all those accessories because it has the same pattern on it as this. And also it looks a lot cuter if it's worn so you can actually see how it looks. So let me just show you. It is this cute unicorn one piece. And I absolutely love this cute unicorn one piece. It is my favorite one piece. I personally don't like to wear it with a skirt because I feel like it's a little childish when I wear it with a skirt. But by itself, it's really cute. It's very flattering. It has these two ties in the back. It has little gold buckles. This I also got probably around the same time, like last year, got around July of last year. And it has held up really well. It has cups that have just a little bit of padding in it, not a lot of padding, and it has some wire down here so it keeps its shape. It also has this very flattering cut. And the only thing about it is, let's see, I had to get a size large. This is a size large. The reason why I picked a size large is because I looked at their measuring chart and I wasn't confident that the medium would fit me. So I went ahead with the large because I thought I could always take it in. Now, pretty much it fits me like a glove, except for this little back part here is just like a tad bit baggy. But otherwise, that is something you have to watch out for if you decide to buy on things like Wish or Taobao. If something this cute, you see something like this that's super cute and you know that you're normally a size small in the US, go ahead and just make sure you either read the measuring chart or go one size up from what you normally would, because like I said, this is what they consider a size large. The other thing I like about this is it has these little bows at the bottom and it has little bows up here at the top. And so far, this hasn't really faded at all in the year that I've used it, and I use it quite often. And I've also taken this to the springs, the beach, just everything. I've taken it everywhere. I really, really like it, and it looks really cute. And I'm hoping that soon I can get a nice, like, good flattering picture of me in it with the floaty going to the beach or something, and then I can post it on my Instagram so you guys can see how it looks worn. But yes, if you love unicorns, this is my absolute favorite bathing suit. If they would come out with stuff like this in the US, I would buy it up. So even if it was just a two-piece, I would totally do that. But I did want a one-piece specifically because when I go swimming, my bathing suits that I typically get, those string bikinis and things like that, they tend to just kind of come off with a wave or when I jump in the water, and it's very horrible and embarrassing. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. So it's hard to find a really cute one piece that fits really well and is not just like a basic color like black or green or blue. Alright, next is my makeup collection. So I have worked very hard over the years to try to make a very cute unicorn themed makeup collection because I love unicorns and I'm not a huge fan of makeup. So in order to get myself interested in makeup, I decided to try to theme everything around unicorns. So first in my unicorn themed makeup collection is this really cute sparkle bag from Forever 21. My boyfriend got this for me for Christmas last year. I saw it and I just was like, that's the perfect bag. So this bag is decent size. It holds it can hold almost all my makeup. So it's a perfect length. That is my first part of my unicorn collection. I have this little lip gloss. Now, I wish I used him more. He's vanilla, I believe he's... Oh, it doesn't really say it anywhere. Yeah, he says... Well, I can barely read it. It says vanilla. But yes, he's a little vanilla lip gloss. He's kind of that kind of lip gloss that is more oily. So I don't actually use him very often. But I like how he looks, and he's really cute when he sits like on my little tray that I have in my bathroom next to my makeup. Next is this beautiful vintage perfume bottle, and it's Avon. It's an Avon perfume bottle, and it has, basically you unscrew it right here from the horn, and then you can put whatever kind of fragrance you want in there. When I got this, I was really hesitant about getting it. It was only $2 or $3, but I'm glad I went ahead and got it. I went ahead and I thoroughly cleaned it out. I went ahead and put my own perfume in there. There wasn't any perfume in it to start. And the cool thing about it is because it's clear, let's see if you can see it, I put this very light purple colored perfume in there. So basically the body will change color with whatever perfume you put in there, which I think is really cool. Next in my unicorn themed makeup collection, I got these little silicone sponges. They're from Rue 21. They were for Christmas this last year. My boyfriend got these for me. I remember he originally asked me like, oh, don't you just want a regular silicone brush because those look a little bit impractical? And I was like, no, I don't care about practicality. I just want unicorn shaped makeup stuff. They're very pretty. They've held up really well over the course of me using them. Of course, I don't go ahead and just put my foundation on here and go like that because it would take forever. I usually use this end of it to do my makeup. And the residue washes off pretty well. This is the last one I used. I need to, as you can see, I need to still wash that one off a little bit. But once they wash them, they clear right up. They look really nice. They're very soft and squishy. I like that. And they're very cute. Alright, and the final piece of my unicorn themed makeup collection, I got these about 2 years ago. It is a makeup brush set. So as you can see, the little horns, it's this pretty pastel purple. And then there's the tips right here with the pretty pastel puffs. They're very soft and they weren't that expensive. I think they were only like $8 or so. Nowadays, you can get them a lot easier in stores like Rue 21 and Forever 21. You can get them for probably a little bit cheaper, like $6 or so. I think I even saw Walmart had them recently because mermaids are really popular right now. And they have ones that have like iridescent horns and things like that. But I really like mine because I know that the iridescence, when they put that metallic paint on those things, like over time, it's not gonna look as cute. It's gonna start wearing off. That's what I really like about mine, is they're this matte color. It's the plastic. It's not painted. It's just on the plastic. So that way, it's never gonna really, like, the paint's not gonna chip or fade or anything like that. I haven't rusted or anything when I've washed them. They've held up really nicely and they work really well. So that's the last part of my unicorn themed makeup collection. If there was one thing that I would add to my unicorn themed makeup collection, it would probably be that new unicorn themed palette that came out from Too Faced. I believe it's shaped like a rainbow, and I love it. I love the colors, but I have a lot of palettes from Too Faced right now. I have the Bonbons chocolate bar, I have the mini chocolate bar for my bag, I have the My Little Pony Color Pop eyeshadow collection, which currently is my favorite, and I also have the Kat Von D Opalescent Alchemy palette. So therefore I feel like I have enough pastel palettes and I don't need to add another one to the collection, especially with ones that have a lot of the same colors. So perhaps when those palettes start to get old, or whenever I run out, or whenever I decide I want to upgrade, I would probably look at getting that one. If you want to see more things like this, I've got really odd items I could show you, more creepy items. I've got my Lolita items, my wardrobe collection. I also have My Little Ponies, and I'm going to be doing, I know for a fact I'm going to be doing a My Little Pony haul video where I show you guys the My Little Ponies I have. I'll probably just pick some of my favorites, and I'll also show you guys the t-shirts and the other pieces of clothing and My Little Pony related stuff that I've managed to find. So there you have it. That is my unicorn favorites haul for some of my favorite unicorn items that I have. I hope you liked this video, and I would love to know if you have any unicorn favorites. Do you have any suggestions for things I could add to my unicorn makeup collection? Let me know. And also let me know if you've seen any other cute summer unicorn themed bathing suits or things like that you can take to the beach, because I'm always wanting to add to my beachy summer collection and make sure I have unicorns in every facet of my life. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.